Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious strawberry banana smoothie, just like your favorite from Smoothie King. We will go through each step, from selecting the freshest ingredients to achieving that perfect, creamy texture. This guide will help you create a refreshing and nutritious drink right in your own kitchen, ensuring a delightful experience with every sip. Get ready to blend up a fantastic treat in just a few minutes. To begin, you will need 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, ensuring a vibrant and fruity base. Next, grab 1 whole ripe banana. This adds natural sweetness and a wonderful creamy texture. For your liquid, use 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, which provides a smooth consistency without overpowering the fruit flavors. Optionally, incorporate 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. Now, let's get blending. Carefully place all your measured ingredients into a high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low setting to break down the larger pieces, then gradually increase the speed to high. Continue blending for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any fruit chunks. For a colder, thicker smoothie, feel free to add about 4 to 6 ice cubes. Once blended to perfection, immediately pour your delicious strawberry banana smoothie into a tall glass. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish it with a fresh strawberry slice or a thin banana wheel. If you desire a touch more sweetness, a spoonful of honey or maple syrup can be added. You might also try a dash of vanilla extract to enhance the overall aroma and flavor profile. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.